So rock me, mama, like a wagon wheel. Rock me, mama, any way you feel. Hey, mama, rock me. Rock me, mama, like the wind and the rain. Rock me, mama, like a southbound train. Hey, mama, la-dee-da. So hard to find my way. I'm on my own. Saw you just the other day. My, how you have grown. Cast the memory back there, Lord. Sometimes I'm overcome thinking about making love in the green grass behind the stadium with you, my bright-eyed girl. You're my bright-eyed girl. Do you remember when we used to sing? Sha-la-la-la-la-la-la-la-la-la-la. Yeah, just like that. Come on now. Oh, down that green grass. Woo. Oh, behind that stadium. Dance like a dandelion in the wind in the hill underneath the pines. Yeah, move like the river flows. I feel the kick drum down deep in your toes. Oh, when you get the home, when you get the know, when you get the show, when you get love, and you for the night is through. Then you know what to do. Sing for the young bucks singing the honky tonks, for the rednecks rocking to the break of dawn, for the DJ spinning that country song. Come on, come on, come on. Sing for the birds, sing for the bees, sing for the catfish swimming out, leaving the creek, for the crickets and the crickets and the squirrels singing to the note. Sing for me, girl. Country girl, shake it for me, girl. Shake it for me, girl. Shake it for me. Country girl, shake it for me, girl. Shake it for me, girl.